Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. How are you today? It is Friday, April 6, 2018. You know, I suppose the big talk here is apparently this idea that was floated out by President Trump regarding another $100 billion in tariffs against China. In my opinion, President Trump is playing poker here. This is a bluff and will not happen. The market doesn't believe it either. Where is the proof that the market doesn't believe it? Well, when this was first announced, futures were down about 450 points regarding the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Well, as I am doing this video blog, the Dow Jones Industrial Average is down about 150 points, about 0.5%. As a matter of fact, all of the major indices are down about 0.5%. So stop flipping out. This morning, I wake up to an email box where people are like ready to, I don't know, jump off a bridge or something. People, please stop getting all up in arms about what's good. Look, this market is going in one direction, higher. This is nothing what we're seeing here, zero. And where is more proof of that? Well, if you're watching this on my website, this video, I hope you are, once again, glance over at the bond market chart. They're buying bonds like, I don't even know what to say, off the Richter scale, whatever other scale you want to look at, just go have a look at it. Your eyeballs are going to explode, and I'm serious about that. So, look, this is what I think is happening here. So again, I do not believe President Trump wants to escalate this trade war that seems to be going on. It's for decades. I mean, there's no doubt about it. But he wants stocks moving higher. We all know that. I mean, every chance this guy can get, our president, he's touting the stock market gains. So this is going to work out to his advantage no matter how you want to cut it, in my opinion. Again, I don't believe this is going to happen. I really don't. And once it gets, once this makes the mainstream that it's not going to happen, stocks will vault higher. Vault higher. And he's counting on that, especially in light of the jobs number that we got this morning. I mean, we're talking about a big miss on our roaring economy. I mean, come on. Our economy is not roaring anywhere. You all know that. The stock market is, but our economy is not. I don't care what comes out of the mouth of President Trump or any other president or any other politician. They need to keep, the illusion real, and you know that. The dollar is weaker right now. We got precious metals higher a little bit. Pressure is remaining on cryptocurrencies as well. So look, the big takeaway from this is I am again completely unfazed. Now this position here, all of you know I opened this up yesterday. I explained to you that I hedged that position before the close. This was just blind luck here. That earthquake that rattled Southern California kind of rattled the markets as well. Everything rattles the markets. I mean, terrorist attacks, rumors of things. So a lot of people are like, well, how did an earthquake affect the market? The market is affected by everything. By breathing too fast or too slow. That'll affect the markets too. So what did I do today? I closed that hedge with a nice profit. And I doubled my long calls on this. Now we just sit back and wait. Goes the wrong way, I close it. Whatever. Right now, it's a nice trade for me. I'm not sure if I'm going to hold this through the weekend. If I do close the position, I will let all of you know. I'll post it on my social networks. Anyway, so look, so that's my take on this whole thing. President Trump is playing poker here. I think it's a bluff. The market believes it's a bluff. Otherwise, we would be down 1,000 points right now. You know what? I'm going to give you a heads up. Let's see what we're down right at this moment. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, as I am doing this, is down 148 points 139 points or 0.57%. S&P 500 down 0.4. NASDAQ down 0.36. I mean, we're talking nothing here. Nothing at all. So, people, calm down. Calm down. And there's no way I can look at all those emails that I got this morning regarding what happened last night. But the few that I looked at, people are in panic mode over this. Don't panic ever. When you panic or when you get upset about something, first of all, maybe you got too much at risk. That's the case, number one. And number two is just whenever you're faced with a situation that you're not really sure what to do, sit back, take a couple of deep breaths, and try to figure out the best logical course of action. And all right, with that said, we'll see how this day plays out. It's going to be really interesting at the wrap up. But just do yourself and do me a favor. Go look at the chart on my website of the bond market right underneath the chat room. People, get ready to put a few pairs of sunglasses on because your eyeballs will explode. All right, I'll see you later.